Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for taking the time to stop by and view my video. I'm going to be jumping into week 9. Uh, my week 9 assignment, I am to create a new website using HTML and Bootstrap. The website must include 2 pages, a Bootstrap navbar table and a form, and Bootstrap grid used throughout to format elements. The element should stack vertically when the window is small. Okay, so this assignment was pretty straightforward. I did do a couple extra things on my assignment that weren't really required, but okay, so I'll go ahead and show you my HTML. So in my index HTML, this is my first page here, or my home page. It has all the stuff for the assignment there up top. All right. So uh in my header, I linked the node modules Bootstrap CSS file. And I also linked my style CSS. I actually didn't do much styling with the CSS, but I did need it for a couple little things that I couldn't style in the HTML. That is my header for my website. After I linked my style CSS, I went down and created a nav bar. On my nav bar, I also have a form in there. So that crosses off 2 of the required things that I have to do for this assignment. Um, if you scroll down here in my HTML, you'll notice that I have a table as well. So it's styled with the table and a grid, the Bootstrap grid format, and that keeps everything lined up and will also make the elements stack vertically when I shrink the window. So I showed you my index HTML. This website, I had a whole bunch of things I added in, a whole bunch of pictures. So I'll go ahead and show you my HTML page here. All right. So here's my index HTML page. I created a shoe website. I'm a bit of a fan of shoes. I'm not a big sneakerhead, but it did help me to create something and get the juices flowing. So I created a sneaker website. Requirements for the assignment was that I'm supposed to have 2 pages. I do have 2 pages. So here's my home page and here is my sign up page. So that's my 2 pages. Also, I did create another form for people to sign up. That's my 2 pages. If you notice, I can go back between the 2 pages. Also, so when I click onto any of the shoes, they all have their own individual page that these go to. So this is the part where I said like I did a little extra on the assignment. I did want to add like a form so that I can add the shoe size and like the colorway, like if they wanted to change the colorway of the shoe. But it wasn't a requirement for the assignment, so I didn't do it just yet. But it is probably something I'm going to look to do just so that I can be happy with the website. So thanks for taking the time to view my website with me. I did have to show you also that the items stack on top of each other when the windows get smaller. So they stack on top of each other. And if I inspect, you'll see that it also looks good in a mobile app. If I brought it into an iPhone, let's see. So this is how it will look in an iPhone app. Looks pretty good. And yeah, still functional. Everything still doing its thing. So yeah, this is my website for week 9. I hope you enjoyed watching that video with me and taking the time to see what I can do with my HTML skills. Um, if you have any time, please take the time to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.